Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Care Pro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to link Patreon on Discord. So first go to Safari and then search patreon.com. Now go to the settings and now go to connected apps. Now tap Discord. Now connect it to your Patreon. Then confirm it, authorize it, and then go back to your Discord and you can see Patreon connected. So yeah, this is how you can link Patreon to Discord. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.